Hello, welcome to the today's video. In today's video, we will learn about how to make a PDF of an AutoCAD drawing. For that, we can go through the this red color icon of the AutoCAD window. We go to the print, right? And once we do that, we see this dialog box. So in this dialog box, we need to select the printer or plotter. Now, as we wanted to do the PDF, not print, so we'll select the multiple options here, which is available here. Microsoft Print to PDF. Once that is done, we need to select what is the size of the paper. So let us select the paper size as A4. Out of the multiple options available, A3, A4, A5, we will select this A4 size. Then what to plot? So in the options available, we will select the window as an option. So after we select the window, we will go to this OSNAP option. We will switch on it. We'll select this endpoint and we select this right corner of it. Then once we do that window, what we have to do? We have to do here center the plot, and then in the next dialog box here we see the plot scale. So we will keep it as a fit to paper. Then here we see the preview that how much is the space that have been occupied by the paper. So we see that there is some left behind which is not getting utilized. So we change the drawing orientation to landscape so that complete paper get utilized by the drawing. Now once that is done, we don't change anything here because we wanted to get the line weights and we wanted to get the plot style as it is. Now if needed we can plot the stamps on it, which is not done in this case. And now let us click on the preview. So if the preview is found to be okay, what we do, we click on this cross, right? And then we click on this OK. So then it will ask us for what is the file name to be saved as. So let us write down it as AutoCAD to PDF and save it at the desired location. Once it is done, the objects get created and then we can open that object for the looking how it is made into the PDF format, right? As per the location that we have saved. So this is our saved object. We see that it is created as per the requirement. Then we close this and then we can proceed for the print as per the requirement. Thank you.